Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about magnetism. So magnets, you know what they look like. They have a north and a south pole. And the reason why they have these poles is because they have electrons that can align in a manner that either attracts or repels other magnets. So the North Pole will point towards the Earth's North Pole when it's allowed to spin freely. So if you were to put it on like water, it'll spin itself until it points in the north direction. And that goes for the same for the South Pole of the magnet. It will point towards the Earth's south. And you know that opposites attract while same poles repel. So if you were to cut a magnet, each of the individual, fragments will turn into another magnet.